Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to create yin yang in Adobe Illustrator, and while doing this we will learn few useful tools in Adobe Illustrator. So if you are new to Adobe Illustrator, you will learn how to use different tools. And of course we'll continue with a little bit more and more advanced stuff in the next lessons, in the next episodes. So let's start. First of all, in order to draw yin-yang, we need to draw a circle. So in order to do that, we choose circle from the tools on the left side. If you don't have these tools over here, you need to click on window, and then over here we've got tools, so you need to make sure this one is checked. So let's choose tools, let's hold left mouse button until we see the list, and then we can choose ellipse tool. And then let's draw the circle. Let's start drawing from the center and let's see what happens. If we start drawing from the center, the circle starting point is in the center and we're drawing the circle to the right bottom corner. However, if we want to make sure that the circle is drawn from the center, we need to hold Alt key, and in that moment, as you can see, the circle is being drawn from the center. So just hold Alt key, the circle will be drawn from the point where you clicked. And also you can hold shift, so it will be a perfect circle. So let's draw a circle like this. Once we have a circle like this, we can, for example, change the fill color to white, so it will be easier to see. And once we have the circle, we need to draw two more circles. In order to do that, we need to find where is the center. So we go to the center of this circle and we start drawing. This time we're drawing only holding Shift key. When we are holding Shift, we need to draw it to the left side until we see a green line. That means this is exactly aligned with the big circle. So let's draw like this, and then let's try to find the center again, the center point of this big circle. And once we find the center, we draw another circle, this time to the right, until we see this green line. When you see the green line, we can release the left mouse button. So right now we've got something like this, and what we want to do is to select all of it using selection tool. Selection tool is the first tool up here, and once we do this, we can move everything to the center. So to do that, we just have to click one of these buttons up here, this one over here, a vertical align center, and as you can see now, it's all centered right now, at least when it comes to vertical. So once we have this, we can deselect by clicking outside. Let's select this circle by clicking on it so we can see the center, because now what we need to do is to draw another ellipse. So we click on ellipse tool, we move our mouse to the center, and we start drawing holding Alt and Shift key. Let's draw a circle like this, and once we have it, we can click on the selection tool. We can move our mouse over this selected circle, and let's see what happens if I hold Alt key. When I hold Alt key, my cursor changes from black to black and white. When the cursor is black and white, that means it will be copied if we drag it to another place. So let's hold Alt and then drag it in a straight line to the center of the circle on the right side. Just like this. And now, once we have two circles already, we can go to the next step, which is choosing selection tool and then selecting everything. When we've got everything selected, we need to choose Shape Builder. Shape Builder is one of the tools over here. It's over here, it looks like this. So if you don't see it, you just need to hold left mouse button and then choose Shape Builder. The shortcut is Shift M. And now, if we hover over different parts, we will see they will be highlighted. And using Shape Builder, for example, we can connect this part with this part. So all we have to do is just drag, and as you can see, this part was already connected into one object. Then we can do the same down here, and our yin-yang is pretty much ready. All we have to do now is choose selection tool, and then click outside to deselect everything, and then click on the part we want to change the color. So I want my yin yang to be black and white, so I'm gonna change this one to black. Over here we change the fill. And then all I have to do next is change this little circle also to black. And that's it. We've just created yin yang, we've learned how to draw circles from the center, how to draw perfect circles, how to draw ellipse, and how to use Shape Builder tool. So this was the first lesson of Adobe Illustrator. Make sure you watch the next one where you will learn how to use other tools in Adobe Illustrator. And if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments, I will try to answer all of them. So, and that's it for today. Remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.